Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Karinisa binti Suhisham. My ID number is DEM0719065. So today, I would like to present about the personal security. So, what is personal security? Personal security is generally the feeling or state that occurs after sufficient measures are taken to delay, warn or deter possible crime in the event of a warning, the ability call for help and prepare to tackle the crime or criminal in a manner that safe is also a consideration. The aim is always to protect from the risk of physical or material harm that endangers a person. Personal security is a general condition that occurs after adequate efforts are taken to deter, delay and provide warning before possible crime. If such a warning occurs, to summon assistance and prepare for the possibility of crime in a constructive manner. The personal security provide professional security for the benefit of individuals and can fit into any environment or situation. They will train to identify suspicious or potentially dangerous situations prematurely, to act on them and thus prevent incidents by doing so. The personal security also have gained a lot of knowledge by working with various government services such as policies and defense, and they have also followed various training courses with foreign specialists. After the introduction and intake meeting, they will compile a risk analysis and we will evaluate what the best plan of actions is for you and which measures need to be taken. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azri Iskandar bin Hanafi. My ID number is DEM0419105. Okay, today I would like to tell you about goals and objective of personal security. Goals is the main areas of personal protection, measures to avoid immediate danger as well as prevention against hazard. Okay, for objective, first point is our aim is to guarantee absolute security for the person protected while maintaining maximum respect for discretion. Point number 2, teach employees to be aware of safety risks. And point number 3, assist in safety violations while working. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Badrumuni bin Hawari, DEM0719068. So I will tell you about the element of personal security at work. Okay, as we know, personal security is very important no matter where we work or wherever we are. The first element is that we must prioritize the standard operating procedure. This is SOP when working. For example, wearing safety shoes while walking or closed shoes. It is to protect our own feet from injury. In addition, wear work clothes set by the company. It is like a safety shirt or a shirt that has safety features. The next element is such element as protecting oneself from disease. For example, do not hang out too much at work. This is for our safety from being infected at work. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuzratul Aisyah binti Caco. I'm from batch 19. My ID card number is DM0919007. So I will explain and continue about the element that need at workplace. My point is new norm help elements in the workplace. We know now that we must adopt the new norm by following the SOP set by the Malaysian Ministry of Health to avoid the issue of COVID-19 infection. So the necessary element is that the employer must emphasize on the use of face masks. Next, provide a hand sanitizer in every space in the workplace and urge employers to check the temperature before entering the workplace. Besides that, employer need to provide first aid kit at work. Employer should not take lightly about the illness or pain experienced. Should go to the clinic or hospital as soon as possible so that no infection or something undesirable happens in the workplace. So that's all for me.
My name is Steven Ejar Edmund and my ID card is 09-19023. Okay, now I want to present my slide is important to personal security. First point is self-defense device. A self-defense device is important to read up the law regarding such device and how their use is governed in your area. In addition to this, is the best to learn the proper training that necessary to use said device. This measure that you do end up harming yourself to innocent bystander when the device is engaged in use. There are some people who think that the use of self-defense device might be too extreme or too paranoid. But when it comes to your personal security, it is imperative that you carry out whatever legal action you can to keep yourself and those around yourself. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sheraton Nazlana Binti Shamsuddin, EN 09190117. Okay, my second point is fiscal access controls. This is one of the most important aspects of preventive security measures taken at the workplace across the globe. The workplace security should be robustly controlled through ID-based fiscal restriction for unauthorized access to the workplace or access of the company. You can apply different fiscal security access control for strong security in the workplace, such as manual controls and computer-based automatic controls. Thank you.
In summary, personal safety in the workplace is very important to all who work. In Malaysia, most people are workers. Due to this, personal safety in the workplace must be in place to ensure the safety of employees while working and reduce the risk that will occur to employees. Employees must know a little about the law and employee safety in the workplace to avoid risk to employees. For example, avoiding harassment of employees or taking care of employee safety because the employee doesn't know about the law. Every company should use physical access control to protect employees from any robbery or harassment by outsiders. It is clear that personal safety in the workplace is important because most people work.
In conclusion, by means of the progression of work violence, security at work has become an even large concern for healthcare employees and workers in a similar way. Safety, health and security in the workplace is important to workers and to the general self-esteem of the employee of business. A general objective of providing a safe a company should thus employ a strong security system, and the employee should also cooperate to ensure their safety and the safety of critical